Howdy Spartans, today we're going to discover the perfect paint color for purple. Now if you've ever been to a paint store, you might have seen swatches like this, a little bit different shades of purple, lighter shades of purple, real pretty shades of purple. There's lots of different purples. But to find our soul paint and the perfect purple, we're going to need two colors to make purple: red and blue. So get a red and blue marker, and let's go ahead and get a purple marker for our total. And I'm going to use a gray, but you can also use a pencil. Okay, when you go to the paint store, you always start with a gallon of white paint, or maybe 5 gallons of white paint, or maybe one of those little tiny cans that you can test. And then what they're going to do is they're going to add color to that. I'm going to add 2 drops of red, and I'm going to add 3 drops of blue. 1, 2, 3. Ugh, looks weird. And then I'm going to have to stir that up. It'd be helpful if I had my stir ready. Usually they shake it up in one of those, machines that goes. All right, so let me mix that up. Ooh, it looks very blue. Get the red mixed in there. Ah, now it's turned into purple. Kind of hard to see with that light. Okay, I'm going to leave this as the control color of our original purple. So on our paper, let's go ahead and take our red marker and put what we put in the paint. We put 2 drops of red, so put 2 dots, and we put 3 drops of blue. 1, 2, 3, giving us a total of, come here, purple, 5 drops. Okay. I think I'm supposed to put that there. We'll find out. Okay, so let's get another one, and I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 reds along with the 3 blues. 1, 2, 3. Going to mix that up, and it should be the same color as our original. Get in there, blue. I see you on the side. It's better if we have a shaker. Okay, so now we got our 2 purples that are the same shade. See if I can get more light in here. A little bit better. All right, now I'm going to set our control to the side. And maybe this purple's nice purple and all. That's okay. But maybe we want a little darker shade of purple. So I'm going to add 2 more drops of red to get a little more purple in it. 2 drops of red and 3 drops of blue. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to mix that up in there. And it looks kind of gross on camera, but it is a deeper purple. When I compare it to the original, it is a much deeper purple. All right, so let's mark what we just did. Instead of having just 2 drops of red, now we have double the amount. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of red. I'm going to leave that cap off. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops of blue. Now our ratio, use my pencil here, my ratio is comparing the red to the blue. And in my first ratio, I had 2 red, dot, dot, to 3 blue. And it was just a ×1 ratio. The total drops I had was 5. So my ratio of red to total would be 2 to the 5 total drops. Ratio of blue to total, I had 3 blue to the 5 total drops. I think I'm a little off screen here. There we go. Now my second one, I had a 4 to 6 ratio. That was double the amount, so our process is a ×2. My total drops, come here, purple. To make my purple, I had 6 plus 4. I had 10 total drops. Okay, and then my ratio of red to total would be 4 red to 10 total, and 6 blue to 10 total. All right, well maybe that's just not the right shade of purple. So let's add 2 more reds. So in here I have 4 reds. Now if I add 2 more, drop, drop, that gives me 6 reds And 1, 2, 3, and 9 blues. Let me stir that up. Oh, it's getting so dark. Can you see it? A little bit better. Getting so purple. Okay, let's compare it to our original. It's quite a bit deeper of a purple. Okay, so let's mark what we just did. We now have, instead of 4, we have 3 times the original amount. We now have 2, 4, 6 red. And we have 3, 6, 9 blues, making our ratio 6 to 9, which from our original 2 and 3 would be 3 times the amount of drops. And then let me get my little purple. What's our total amount of drops? 6 plus 9, 15 to make purple. And our ratio of red to total would be 6 to 15, and blue to total is 9 to 15. Okay, maybe that's not the kind of purple we're looking for, so let's go a little bit deeper. 2 more red, drop, drop, and 3 more blue. 1, 2, 3. Stir that in. Oh, it's so dark compared to this one. So dark. Gotta get a better light. Okay, so let's see. What have we done now? 4 times the original amount. So instead of 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 reds. And instead of 3, we have 4 times that amount, so we are going to have 12 blues. That's a lot of drops inside. So what's our total? What is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 total drops to make that deep purple? Okay, our ratio of red to blue is 8 to 12, and to get from our original to where we are now, we did 4 times the amount, times 4. Okay, our red to our total, red was 8, total was 20, 8 to 20, and blue was 12, so blue to total would be 12 to 20. Ta-da! So let's compare. Quite a bit deeper. Time out. I turned on the big light so you could see a little bit better how the original, how light it is compared to our deep purple. I mean, I think we're getting into like these colors. Take that down. Maybe like that one. Wow. Okay, last one. She says, okay, you're getting close, but I want deeper. I want 10 times the amount. So to go a times 10, starting from the original 2 times 10, we'd have to make 20 dots. Are you ready? No, I'm writing the number 20. And then the blue, 3 times 10, that would be 30 dots. Here we go. Nope, I'm just writing 30. So then what's our total amount? 20 and 30. We have 50 drops. Now, our ratio of red to total was 20 to 30. Our red to total. Red to blue is 20 to 30. Our red to total is 20 to 50. And our blue to total would be 30 to 50. But have I added the drops yet? No. Should I? Yes. I wonder how dark it's going to be. So dark. I have time. Okay. Ooh, there's a glare. Get the glare off of that. Okay, so here's our original, and then here's the dark. Okay, so hang on. I got to get 20 drops, and I've already put in 8, so I need 12 more drops of red. Ew, I spilled on my paper. Yuck. And it's on my hand. It looks like blood. It's not. Oh, now I'm stained. Okay, sorry. I need, how many more drops? 12 more drops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 red. Okay, 30 blues. I already have 12 blues. To get to 30, 30 minus 12, that's going to be 18 drops of blue. Oh, I better open a new one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ooh, what is it gonna make? Oh, this is gross. Wow. It's like almost all blue. It is so deep in purple. All right. Well, yuck. That's it on that page. On the flip side, we're going to do a PowerPoint. Have a great day.